Welcome back to Poo's World. It's been some time that I posted a video and I'm coming with an amazing vlog today. So today we are going for kayaking in Kannur, Kerala. This is located at Kavai Lake in Payyanur, which is a place in Kannur. And once you reach here, there is a park for the kids with small rides and beautiful view of this lake. So when you search in Google, this is one of the top attractions to visit in Kannur. That is how I came across this place and I contacted the kayaking person. His contact details I will leave in the description box. So the main reason for me to come here is because my friend Radhika is in town. She came to visit me in Kannur, so I thought I'll take her around and explore Kannur along with her. So that's how we reached this kayaking place, and this is her first experience kayaking. So you can hear all about it at the end of the video. We came over to kayak early morning. They open at around 7 a.m. and we were here by 7:30 because the kayaking guy suggested that it's better we reach early so that we can avoid the extreme scorching sunlight and enjoy a calm and peaceful kayaking experience. So I am very thankful to him for his suggestion because we came here early morning and it was a wonderful experience. Also, I would say that it's better to come on a weekday rather than a weekend because weekends there will be huge crowd visiting this place. So rather, if you visit on a weekday, then you can enjoy the lake all for yourself. The final destination of your kayaking is this beautiful or gorgeous mangrove section, which is just breathtaking. The level of the water in this mangrove area is really shallow, so you can easily stand in the water. The maximum level during a tide would be knee level. So when we went, there was slightly a higher tide. So the level of the water for us was knee level, and you don't have to worry of getting drowned or you are scared because you don't know swimming. So no such worries.
So what should I do? Move somewhere, otherwise we'll go in the jadi and stand. Move little bit.
Price for kayaking is rupees 300 per head and per hour. Also, it's better that you book prior and then come here so that you get the priority. Otherwise, if there are too many people, then accordingly only you will get your chance for kayaking. Apart from kayaking, they have speedboat, banana boat ride, pedal boat, and also houseboat services. So for houseboat specially, you have to make a booking. An important matter to say is that they've kept the water, that is the lake and the mangrove area, very neat and tidy. There was no waste, no plastic. So hats off to the team who takes care of it. See, that's a crocodile.
Yeah, I was supposed to tell you, then I was being scared. You will tell.
No, crocodile and all, not a worry. Oh. Bye. Left matra, do only left. ഇത് നല്ല കാം ഭയങ്കര ഒരു വേവില്ല ഒന്നുമില്ലാതെ നിങ്ങൾ രാവിലെ പറഞ്ഞത് നന്നായി അല്ല വെയിലില്ല ഒന്നുമില്ല ഇതാണ് ബെസ്റ്റ് സമയം just put it down. Like this? No, touch it on the ground. Oh.
that is much better. Yay! Pooja, how are you feeling?
Amazing. This is the second time kayaking, but I love this experience.
Hi. Do hi. Want to go for one more? Go and go. So what?
Okay, you have to hold me, otherwise I'm gonna eat.
How are you feeling, Pooja?
Amazing. I'm just
First time
we got
in
a chance to
the.
do this actually.
This is river, right?
Yeah, it's a river or lake.
So how are you feeling?
Lake അല്ലേ ഏതാ ഇത് പേര് കവായ്പുഴ.
So, how's the experience? You want to be here for a long time?
I wish you can just sleep.
Do you
here in a
recommend
floating bed.
to people?
Yeah, I recommend highly.
Highly recommend.
Yeah, many people now see that uncle also does not know this place.
So next time anyone visits here, you'll definitely take and come.
They can come. Anyone in Kannur should come.
Okay. Yo.
Chalo.
Hi. I'm taking yours. Yo.
So we are totally wet.
Yeah, you could see the color difference.
Yeah. I don't want to show the behind. So how was your first experience?
It was amazing. The weather was perfect. The timing was perfect.
Timing was perfect, yeah.
And it was an amazing experience. Anyone who visits Kannur should definitely
Do this, yeah. Without fail, you should do
You
this.
should do this place. Yeah. It's a must. And come, I think the perfect time is in the morning.
Morning,
when
yeah.
it opens
If
up
you can
at
be
7.
here by 7.
Yeah, it's the perfect time to come. It's a beautiful weather, right?
Yeah.
Even now, luckily it's not sunny yet. So.
Yeah. And my arms are not aching, only my thighs were, but now nothing is aching.
Yeah,
only
now
thing
it's
I'm
fine.
I'm totally wet.
But
So
you should
better bring a change of clothes. If girls are coming, bring a skirt. So as soon as you come out, you can just change into your skirt. I suggest girls carry skirts because there is no changing room over here. So if you get wet, you can put your skirt over your pant. So hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So until next time guys, bye bye.